абдан керектүү эле. Себеп дегенде бул жерде коркунуч, кар көчкү коркунучу көп. 22-жылы абдан чоң кар көчкү түшүп, бир нече күнгө жол жабылып калган. Ошон үчүн бул кар көчкү станциясы бир эле бул Долон станциясы эмес, Нарындын Нарын Казарман жолу, Ат башы, Актала жолдорунан бери бүт тейлейт да. Бизге ушул жетишпей аткан.
So today we have opened an avalanche station, which is helping the Kyrgyz Hydromet to better monitor the risks of avalanches specifically to people who are living in this region and also especially traveling on the main road to Narin. Of course, avalanches is a high risk during winter times when there's very high snowfall, and it causes accidents. We have seen people suffer from that over many years. And the authorities, of course, have a good response capacity, but with better weather information, it's possible to provide risk information to the public and to warn people in advance of an avalanche, and also take mitigating actions such as reducing the risk, basically dealing with the snowpack.
This is the part of the Kyrgyz project sponsored by the government of Japan through the UNDP. And the UNDP has the plan to establish the 3 avalanche observation stations included here. Narin, other 2 stations is now constructed in the Jalal-Abad oversight.